Secret is a good product and it works well. They have great colors and whatnot, but this is the one we're going to use. Okay, it has kind of a pinkish natural tone, and it's a little transparent. So what you're going to do, you're going to DIY your own glitter. Take your little jar. You're going to go over to the table above the pink paper. You're going to take, and I'm going to make a mess because it's a spoon, right? You're going to take some of that powder and you're going to pour it into your jar, okay? I would say fill the jar about halfway with the pink powder. Now, because it's pink, I chose pink, but you can use whatever glitter you want. There's more glitters over there, so if you want to use multiple colors, you can. I'm going to take my glitter, and I'm going to pour my glitter into my powder, because I'm going to make a glitter. Now, the ratio of glitter, which is plastic debris, to the powder polymer has to be 50-50 or less. Less glitter. Cindy and I are friends. We're the two molecules and we're trying to hold hands. If the two molecules are trying to touch together, but there's a big old piece of plastic in between, they're not going to be able to touch correctly. So there's a big plastic sheet between us and we can't hold hands. Is our bond strong? No. So if I have a lot of plastic in my powder polymer, when I go to apply it on the nail, sure, it'll be there. But as soon as she starts tapping on things, the nail is brittle because it's not strong and it's going to break. And so she wants her money back because her nails are all broken. So you cannot put too much glitter in your powder. No more than 50%. So I'm going to come in after you pour in your glitter. You're going to circle rotate. Make sure you get all the corners, the nooks and crannies in the bottom of your jar until you no longer see the original pink and the original glitter or whatever colors you got. That's got to become one. Okay? Once it becomes one, then you got your ratio, your new mixture, your new acrylic. You're going to take your brush, dip it into your monomer, dip and tap, and try it out on your napkin. When you look at your napkin, you're like, no, I want silver glitter added. I want red glitter. I want the stars. I want something else added. That's great as long as you have not added 50% of the container of powder of glitter. Okay? If you're like, ooh, that's too much glitter, I put too much glitter, you have to add more powder. Okay, so you can play with it a little bit, just 50-50 or less the plastic. Okay, plastic is like the debris. Okay, you're going to practice on your napkin. Once you're good and you're happy with it, if you don't want a bead to fall in here and mess up your plastic, then pour this into a damping dish and work out of the damping dish. When you're done, you can pour it back or make you a new batch. Okay. If you do work out of here and you get a bead in here, immediately pick it up and pick it out because it will get stuck. This is not acetone proof, so you can't pour acetone in this because it'll melt it and it doesn't work. Okay? Because this is not meant for this. It's just decorative little jar. So that's how you make your acrylic. So when she's coming in with the beautiful emerald green dress and she's got a glittery tail, I make the green acrylic and then I add the glitter and then just customize and charge her more for it. Okay? Cool. Okay, so you have buffed and dehydrated and primed, if you have it, the nail. Okay. You are now going to do what we did on Friday. You're going to put a layer of clear on the nail, and then you're going to add a layer of glitter over the glitter. You're going to then file parallel on both sides and the tip, and then the top, because you scratched it. You're going to take the soft side of the buffer, granted it's the same one from yesterday, buff out the scratches. If you want to see the shine, you can make it shiny with a top coat of your choice. If you have it, if not, totally fine. Questions? Okay, again, today's kind of one of those days. You have time. We usually don't get this kind of day, so make the most of it. I'm going to put some music on, let you be. If you have questions, please ask. Do not